friends, welcome back to the next video, and in this video, as I promised, I will be showing some problems related to the trigonometric ratios. So let's start with some easy problems at first. So in the first problem, it is given that in a right angle triangle ABC, right, which is right angle at B, given that AB equals to 5 centimeter, given that AB given that AB equals to 5 centimeter and angle ACB equals to 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So determine the values of BC and AC. Determine the values of BC and AC. So before doing the solution, we know that since the value of one angle is given and AB is 5 centimeters, so by trigonometric ratios we can easily find out the other values of we can find out the length of BC and AC. So let us first write tan C. We know that tan is nothing but perpendicular by base. So BC we have to find out. So if we find the value of tan 30, then AB by BC equals to tan 30 if we write. So we can find out the value of BC. So let us write tan C equals to AB by BC. Now, given that tan C is 30 degrees, so tan 30 equals to nothing but AB is 5 and BC we have to find out. So the value of tan 30, as I have told in earlier videos, is 1 by root 3 equals to 5 by BC. So by this we can find out BC equals to 5 root 3 centimeter. Now, so BC is 5 root 3 centimeter. Now we can find out the value of AC in two different ways. By applying simple Pythagoras theorem, we can find out AC. We know AC equals to over AB square plus AC square. Or we can find out by trigonometric ratios. Since we are in the trigonometry chapter, we will be doing it in the trigonometric ratios aspect only. So now let us write sin C is, we know sin is P by H, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So sin C given is 30 degree, and the angle of C is 30 degree, equals to AB is 5 and AC we have to find out. And the value of sin 30 is nothing but half. Half equals to 5 by AC. So AC equals to 10 centimeter across multiplication. So we are done with the first problem. So let's come back to the next problem. So say evaluate evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So we will find out the values of different angles, that is sin 30, cos 60, tan 45, and we will evaluate it, and we will by the simple simplification we can find out the values of this one. But before doing this, I want to say that sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is generally 1, because in the upcoming videos I will be giving you identities in which there will be a formula that is sin square 30 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. But since we do not know this formula right now, so we will do just finding the values only. So let's start. We know, so the value of cos 60 is half. And the value of 4 sec square 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the value of sec square 30, sec 30 is the reciprocal of it, that is 2 by root 3. And the value of tan 45 is 1, we know it, that is 1 square. Now sin square 30 is half plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we will write it over here. So by solving, we will get 1 by 4, that is 5 upon 4, plus 2 by root 3 whole square, that is 4 by root 3, that is 4, for 2 square 4 into 4 16, 16 by and root 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is nothing but 1. Since 4 by 4, 4 by 4, 1. So 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3. We will do the simple addition and we will get 4, 3, 15 plus 3, 4, 16 for the 64 minus 1, that is 64 plus 15 is 74, 79 by 12. That is nothing but 12, 79 minus 12, that is 67. So the answer is 67 by 12. Now let's put the in the next problem. It is given that sin a minus b equals to half cos a plus b is half, and a greater than b. Find a and b. Solution. So at first let us do this part. Sin a minus b equals to half. Now we know the value of half in terms of sin is sin 30 is half. So we can write sin a minus b equals to sin 30. Now remember, we cannot cut sin from both sides, but we can eliminate it and write it as a minus b equals to 30 degree. Similarly, cos a plus b equals to half, and the value of half in terms of cos is cos 60. So a plus b equals to 60. So let us give it as 1 and let us give it as 2. Now we will find out the value of a and b by just simple solving. So by adding 1 plus 2 we get a minus b plus a plus b is 30 plus 60. Now b and b gets cancelled, so 2a is 90, that is a equals to 45 degree. Now by 1 we can write a minus b equals to 30 degree, and by putting the value of 45 in this equation, we can find out the value of b. So here a is 45 degree minus b equals to 30 degree. So b goes over here and 30 comes over here, that is b is 15. Sorry. So the value of a and b is 45 and 15 degree respectively. Let us do another problem relating to the previous one. Tan a plus b given root 3, tan a minus b given 1 by root 3, and a greater than b. Find the value of a and b. So, like the previous sum, we will do in the same technique. So let us write tan a plus b equals to root 3. So the value of root 3 in terms of tan is so the value of root 3 is tan 60 root 3. So we can write tan 60. Now by eliminating it, we can write a plus b equals to 60 degree. Similarly, tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. So we can write tan a minus b equals to, we know that tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, so tan 30 degree. So a minus b equals to 30 degree. So similarly, by giving 1 and 2, by solving 1 plus 2, we get a plus b plus a minus b, that is 60 plus 30, that is b gets cancelled, that is 2a equals to 90 degree, that is a equals to 45. Similarly, by 1, if we put the value of 1 in b, we get a plus b equals to 60 degree. A is 45 plus b equals to 60. So b equals to 60 minus 45, that is 15. Therefore b is 15. So the value of a and b is 45 degree and 15 degree respectively. So I hope you are clear about the trigonometric ratios. So in the next video we will be discussing about the complementary angles, and we will proceed it by doing trigonometric identities and solving some difficult problems at trigonometric identities part. But till then, stay tuned. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe the channel. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section so that I can help you out. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.